Okay guys, so I am sitting in my dirty recliner. It is still here. I'm probably gonna have to pay somebody. It's not even a recliner, it's a swivel chair. I'm probably gonna have to pay somebody to take this out of here for me. So sorry for the delay on the updates. We have kind of been at a bit of a slowdown. So I was waiting to finish the framing downstairs between the laundry room and the bathroom and what's gonna be our family room, because the plumbing had to go on the floor for our new floor drain, for our toilet, our tub, the relocation, well, the addition of the bathroom, because there was only one bathroom in this house. So I couldn't finish the framing until that plumbing was finished. And my electrician couldn't, he did everything he could do upstairs. He couldn't go downstairs until that framing was in place. So we were waiting on the floor drains to go in. Those went in, and then I was like, I'm gonna hit it hard and get that framing done. And then I got sick. And so I was so low energy, you know, when you're sick and you can't even like lift things without getting winded. I was showing a house and I bent over to take a vent out of the floor to look at how thick the hardwood floors were. And I almost literally passed out from bending over. So I was a little bit delayed, got to the point where I felt good enough where I could finish the framing, got the framing done downstairs, and of course let our electrician know we were delayed. So he couldn't just wait on us, he had other projects to do. So he knows we're ready for him when he's able to fit us back into the schedule, but unfortunately we held him up. So now we're waiting for him to be able to come back to the project. Framing is done downstairs. Oh, exciting news, the egress window downstairs, the company that was gonna do that told me they couldn't do that until May. Hold on, let me go get the dog. She walked outside. Come here, come say hi, come on. It's a cutie, it's a cutie. It felt like forever when they told me that, but now we're so delayed, it's almost May. So the awesome news is the company that's gonna do the egress window for us said they're coming this Thursday. So by the time you have the next update from me, we should have an egress window and actually have a bedroom downstairs. So that's super exciting. I am very nervous. I have never hired something that big out and not done it myself. It's hard for me to let go control. And so I'm scared, but I have high hopes that they will do an excellent job and come when they say they will. So that should be done on Thursday. I think what I'm gonna start doing, because I'm kind of at a pause until, I mean, we have a lot of things torn out, but the drywallers can't come till the basement's ready. I'm gonna start working on the exterior, especially once the egress window is done. We can tear out, there's all these bushes in the front. We can regrade the dirt. I always try to do a lot of grading, do good gutter work, get everything away from the house. So I'm gonna start, once the window's done, I'll start doing that. There's 3 sheds in the backyard, 2 are in good shape, 1 I'm gonna have to tear down. I can tear that down, have some bushes to pull, a fence in the backyard has fallen down. So there's a lot of things I think I can do exterior wise. That's kind of where we're at now, moving a little bit slower than I would have liked, but we're kind of held up, but I can get the exterior done.